Welcome back to Technologia 2050. What happens when you take one of the toughest jobs on Earth, mining, and replace human drivers with AI-powered, driverless electric trucks? That's exactly what China has just done. In Inner Mongolia, the world's first fleet of 100 autonomous mining trucks has rolled out, and it's changing the future of heavy industry. Let's break it down. The groundbreaking launch. China has officially deployed 100 fully autonomous electric mining trucks in Inner Mongolia, making it the largest driverless heavy-duty fleet in the world. Why Inner Mongolia? The region is rich in coal, minerals, and rare earth metals. By using driverless trucks, China hopes to make mining safer, faster, and more efficient. Cutting-edge AI technology. Each truck is powered by advanced AI navigation systems, sensors, and cameras. They can map terrain, detect obstacles, and follow precise routes, all without a driver. Fully electric power. Unlike traditional diesel giants, these trucks are 100% electric, cutting emissions and reducing noise pollution in mining areas. Safety first. Mining is one of the most dangerous industries. By removing human drivers from extreme conditions, China aims to save lives and reduce accidents. Round-the-clock operation. Unlike humans, these autonomous trucks never need brakes. They can run 24/7, increasing productivity and lowering operational costs. Massive efficiency gains. Early reports suggest the trucks have boosted mining efficiency by up to 20%, while cutting fuel and maintenance costs significantly. Jobs and automation concerns. Critics worry about job losses for human drivers. However, China argues that new roles in AI monitoring, fleet management, and maintenance will replace traditional driving jobs. A model for the future. If successful, this project could be expanded across China and potentially to mines worldwide. Imagine every mining site in the future run by fleets of robotic trucks. The bigger picture. This isn't just about mining. It's about proving that AI and automation can handle the world's toughest jobs, from construction to logistics, paving the way for fully automated industries. So, with 100 driverless electric mining trucks now working in Inner Mongolia, China has taken a bold step toward an autonomous industrial future. The big question is, will this revolution spread across the globe, or is it the beginning of a job crisis in mining? What do you think? Are driverless mining trucks the future, or a risk to human workers? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more future tech breakthroughs, only here on Technologia 2050.